10 years ago, say?
I mean, I don't have that exact fact, but we know that with a warmer atmosphere and this bigger wind shear, it's that wind shear at the higher levels where people are flying, particularly in these parts of the world where you fly much higher because the atmosphere is higher, then that's where it's increasing, in and around areas where the jet stream is.
OK.
And actually, the Met Office have just issued an amber rainfall for heavy rainfall today. And it's the jet stream that drives our weather systems. And we know that for every 1 degree of warming, the atmosphere holds 7% more moisture. And our winters are continuing to get wetter. And this winter, we know that the rainfall we've experienced is 20% heavier because of climate change. But right now, we have warnings across most of the UK for heavy rain. But the Met Office have just issued an amber for northwest England.
Climate change, so turbulence when you...
Good morning to you. We have a wet day of weather ahead, and actually the weather so far this winter and autumn has been so wet. And a report out from the Met Office today shows us how much rainfall we've had. Nearly every single month since October has seen above average rainfall. The yellow is how much we would normally get. The red shows how much above average it's been, and these maps... Yes, the weather turned for many of us yesterday. It seems easy to forget. Just a few days ago, it was very warm and sunny for many of us. If you don't like the rain, I'm not the bearer of the best news, because we actually have warnings across the lion's share of the country for heavy rainfall today. The radar shows where the rain is at the moment, but in the coming hours, it will move its way northwards. So most areas under... Good morning. Behind me shows what is coming, rain, and a lot of it. We have multiple warnings from the Met Office across most of the UK. Yellow rain warnings for many of us, but later on today, an amber for North Wales and North West England for thunderstorms embedded within this band of heavy rain. The latest radar shows where it's falling at the moment, the yellows and orange. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Today is a wet one. Heavy rain across most of the country. And these are the warnings from the Met Office. Yellow for heavy rain across much of Scotland, England and Wales, but an amber area for northwest England and North Wales. This is thunderstorms. Heavy rain in a short space of time, giving the risk of some localised flooding. So this is the radar. Cloud for most of us, but heavy rain for central areas of England and Wales, and the yellows and greens and oranges showing where it's heaviest. The whole band moving northwards, so a lot of spray on the roads this morning if you're out driving. And yes, there's the risk of some localised flooding. All moves north into Scotland. Embedded instability for North Wales and North West England is where the heaviest thunderstorms will be. But elsewhere, heavy showers and thunderstorms for southern counties of England and for the northwest of Scotland. So much cooler today than the last few, 14 or 15 degrees at best. With some sunshine, we could get to 20 degrees, and we sit with this wet weather through the next few days.